Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Student, this is our SST class, as you know, grade 3. And today, after midterm, we are going to start block 13 and first lesson plan. And what is our topic? Our today's topic is border of our state. And keyword for today's class, border, state. What is the meaning of border? Border is a kind of line. And I will explain in the activity part. And state. The country is divided in many small parts, and these parts are called state. And resources for today's class, political map of India. You need a political map of India and I will show you. Content book, notebook and workbook. And what will be our agenda? First the questioning part, after that we will discuss, then activity part, after then application, and at the last I will give you some homework to do. Students, I want to ask to you, in which state do you live? You live in a state? Yes, right. I live in Haryana. You all are living in Haryana? Yes, students, now I'm going to show you a map and you will find out the state in which you live. Students, now look at this map. This is India's political map. Yes, students, can you find out the state where do you live? I live in Haryana. Here I live, and you might be living in Haryana, and some students can say that ma'am, I am living in Delhi. Okay students, can you see these lines? What are these lines? Yes, this is the complete body of India, and these thin lines are dividing the country in small parts, and these are the states. Now after dividing, these parts are called states. So these lines are called the border. These thin lines are called the border. Yes students, so what is our today's aim? Our aim is to identify some meaning of a border and the border of their state. Means we are going to identify the meaning of a border. Border का meaning क्या होता है, हम उसको identify करेंगे, and the border of their state and the border of their state. So what is the meaning of the border? Border is a kind of line that divides something, जो किसी चीज को divide कर देती है, right? So this is the meaning of the border. And what is the border of their state? What is this border? This border is an imaginary line which divides the states. Now let's move to the activity part, students. Now what will you do? You will draw a line on the entrance of your door, and you will observe outside from the room also and in your room also. And after then you will make a table in your notebook like this, study room and outside the room, and you will write the differences. What do you see in your study room and what do you see outside the room? You will write the differences here. Means first of all, suppose this is the room and this is the door of your room, and you will draw a line here. This is the line, and first you will observe inside your room, and after that you will go outside. You will cross this border, you will cross this line, and then you will take a round outside your house, outside the room, and then you will find out the differences. What do you see inside the room and what do you see outside the room? Student, now move to the analysis part. I am going to ask some questions to you. What did you see and hear in the room, and what did you see and hear outside the room? What did you observe on both the places, inside your room and outside the room? Yes student, and there are some similarities also, and what are the differences did you observe? Yes students, now look at this. In study room you can see books, bags, fan, table, chair, and might be my sister is writing. I have written according to me. Your answers might be different. And outside the study room, kitchen is there, family members are talking, a girl is playing. So these are the differences. So students, which things tell us you that you are in the study room? Like the walls, yes, the walls and the door, and inside the rooms, the bags, books, all these things. These are telling you that you are inside the study room, कि ये आपका study room है. और उसका जो डोर है, डोर पे जो आपने लाइन लगाई, दैट इज द बॉर्डर. मीन्स वहाँ पर आपका जो स्टडी रूम है वो एंड हो रहा है, राइट? एंड व्हेन यू मूव आउटसाइड, व्हेन यू क्रॉस दैट लाइन, इट मीन्स आपका स्टडी रूम जो है वो वहाँ पर एंड हो गया है. नाउ यू आर आउटसाइड द स्टडी रूम. So students, these things tell you about that this is the study room, and now you are outside the room. And what are the similarities, like walls, roof, fans, lights? These things are inside the study room, and the same things you can find outside the room also. Might be in the porch and in the drawing room, you can find the same things. So these are the similarities. Students, now look at this map carefully. Yes, students, my question is that how do we know where our state starts and ends? Yes, look this map and find out how do we know where our state starts and ends. What other states do we see around our state? Yes, look at this. What other states do we see around our states? Just like our classroom ends in one place and the rest is outside, our state ends at the border. Suppose if we are talking about Haryana, here you can see Haryana, and this is the border line, this thin line you can see, this is the border line of Haryana. Another state begin after this border line, right? You can see here beta, like this is the border line of Haryana. यहाँ हरियाणा जो है वो end हो रहा है. If you are going downward from हरियाणा, अगर हरियाणा से नीचे की तरफ जाते हो तो यहाँ दूसरा स्टेट स्टार्ट हो जाता है, right? This is राजस्थान. And if you are going this side, you can see यहाँ फिर से again next state starts. What is the name of this state? This is Uttar Pradesh. Here you can see Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. So these lines, this border tell us where our state starts and where our state ends. So beta, our border tell us which area are parts of our state, means this is the border. So ये border हमें बताता है कि ये हरियाणा का part है, right? A border is a line that people make to divide one state from another or one country from another. So किस लिए बनाया जाता है border? We make border. It is an imaginary line. We cannot see it. Actually, we cannot see it. हम असल में इसको नहीं देख सकते हैं बेटा. This is an imaginary line that divides one state from another or one country from another. एक country को भी दूसरी country से divide करने के लिए border बना होता है. Here you can see, here you can see this is India's border, और यहाँ से जो है इंडिया का बॉर्डर यहाँ एंड हो रहा है तो यहाँ से दूसरी कंट्री स्टार्ट हो रही है. हेयर यू कैन सी दिस इज द कंट्री पाकिस्तान, यू कैन सी हेयर, और फिर यहाँ नेपाल स्टार्ट हो रहा है. एंड आफ्टर देन यू कैन सी यहाँ जैसे इंडिया का बॉर्डर है यहाँ पर, और यहाँ से कौन सी कंट्री स्टार्ट हुई, फिर दूसरी कंट्री स्टार्ट हो जाती है चाइना. सो एक कंट्री को दूसरी कंट्री से डिवाइड करने के लिए और एक स्टेट को दूसरे स्टेट से डिवाइड करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग दीज थिन लाइन्स, दीज आर कॉल्ड द बॉर्डर्स. हम बॉर्डर्स का यूज करते हैं. Student, my next question is, what are the things that you see in our state and that are not in nearby state? Means you will observe some things that you can see in our state and these are not found in the nearby states. Just think about it. If we are talking about some similarities like in Punjab and Haryana, like the good crops, the wheat is grown in Punjab and Haryana widely, and the maize is also grown in Haryana also as well as in Punjab also, and the mustard seeds also. So these are some similarities in Haryana and Punjab. And if we are going to talk about the differences, like the differences if I am comparing the state Rajasthan with Haryana. So in Rajasthan, का climate कैसा और हरियाणा का कैसा, right? In Haryana we get the means good rainfall, but in Rajasthan there is very less rainfall. Student, now at last it is time for the higher order question. Students, my question is, do we have other states all around our state? If so, which are they? Means if you have other state around your state, if yes, then what are these states? You will tell the name of these states. And if not, what else you see around the state? Yes, students, think about it. And for this question's answer, you can take the help of the political map again. For this question's answer, again we have to look on this map. So student, if you say that ma'am I live in Rajasthan, if you are talking about Rajasthan, yes, which are the neighboring states, which states are around it? You can say one side Gujarat is there, one side Madhya Pradesh you can see here, one side Haryana is there, one side Punjab. And what is this? Is this any other state? No, this is the neighboring country. This is the other country. This is Pakistan, right? So this is another country. If we are talking about any other state, like if we are talking about Tamil Nadu, so what can you say? What can you see here? One side here Kerala, next side Karnataka, and one side Andhra Pradesh. And what is here? Here any other state is there? No, this is the water body, right? This is the Bay of Bengal, right? This side Bay of Bengal, and this is Indian Ocean. Here Indian Ocean, and this is the Arabian Sea, right? So these are the neighboring states of this. And if we are talking about these, the islands, Andaman and Nicobar, if you say that ma'am I live in Andaman and Nicobar in these union territories, so if any other state can you see around here? No, and no, not a single state is here, right? Why? Because this is surrounded by the water body. Clear? Students, now open your content book. Now it is time for the reading section. Page number 26, our state, the borders of our state. As we discussed in the class also, have you noticed how two rooms share the wall? Similarly, our state and the state near it share a border. A border is a line that is decided by the government. It tells us which areas belong to our state and where the next state begins. We see border lines mostly in maps. Yes, students. So what is a border? Border is an imaginary line and that is decided by the government. उसको government decide करती है. कंट्री को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है एंड वो डिवाइड जो होता है वो क्या होते हैं, वो छोटे छोटे जो डिवीजन होता है वो स्टेट्स होती हैं एंड दैट इज डिवाइडेड थ्रू द बॉर्डर. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर एप्लीकेशन पार्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, what will you do? You will complete your S1 that is given on page number 25 in your workbook, and your workbook must be finished within 10 minutes. Student, open page number 25 of your workbook. S1, border of our state. First question is, write one thing that the border of our state tell us about our state. You will write one thing that our border tell us about our state. Next, second question is, look at the map which we use in the discussion part, in the activity part, and fill in the table. First question is, one city you see on the map that is inside the border of your state. मीन्स जो आपका जो स्टेट है उस स्टेट में आपको कौन सी सिटी, किसी भी एक सिटी का नाम लिखेंगे यहाँ. नेक्स्ट इज वन थिंग यू सी ऑन द मैप दैट इज आउटसाइड द बॉर्डर ऑफ योर स्टेट. नेक्स्ट यू विल राइट वन मोर सिटी दैट इज द नेबरिंग स्टेट. आप नेबरिंग कंट्री की, नेबरिंग स्टेट की किसी भी एक सिटी का नेम लिखेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, this is a map of the state of Kerala. Look at the map and answer the questions. You will look at this map and then you will write about the Kerala. Name two states that touch Kerala. You will write the neighboring states of Kerala that touch the border of Kerala. Next is, what else can you see near the border of Kerala? What else can you see near the border of Kerala? Means either than the states. What can you see? You will write the name of those. Let's move to the homework part. Yes, students, what is your today's homework? Your homework, you will do practice question number 8 that is given on page number 30 in your content book. Yes, student, at the end, now let's summarize our today's aim. What is our today's aim? To identify some meaning of a border and the border of the state. What is a border? Border is a kind of line, right? And it divides the states. It divides the country into states, right? And these lines are decided by the government and it tells us about the area which belongs to our state. So this is all about our today's class. Yes, now be ready for the next class also. And what will be the resources for next class? The political map which we use today, the same we will need for the next class also. Thank you. Have a nice day.